Today we're going to do a very quick demonstration of removing rust using hydrochloric acid. So I have those two bits that I have used when I was fixing the pool pump. So unfortunately, some salty water got on top of this and those two bits and made them very rusty. And I have this bottle of hydrochloric acid that we use to adjust the pH level of the pool water. So what you need is just acid and the container, a plastic container that's not going to dissolve in the acid. And if you're not quite sure what sort of container you need to get, just look at the bottom of the container of the hydrochloric acid and find a plastic container with the same logo. So this one has a recycling symbol and it says PP. And first thing first, let's remove those rusty two bits and put them in the container. As you can see, those ones are pretty rusty. Hope I can get a focus on them. Right, I'm just holding the phone with one hand and getting those out with the other. One important thing is always wear protective gear. So I'm wearing a mask and protective goggles. So when I'm pouring out the acid, I'm going to put on a pair of gloves. It looks like I need two hands, so I'll just pause the video. Now I just will start to pour the acid into the container. Well, interestingly, among the most corrosive three types of acid, it is pretty easy to acquire hydrochloric acid without raising any suspicion, because you use this thing to, as I mentioned, adjust the pH level of your pool, and also you etch the concrete. And as I'm wearing the mask, still you can smell it's very, very strong corrosive gas coming out of the reaction. If my memory serves me right, when rusty metal reacts with hydrochloric acid, you get first water and iron chloride. See, those are almost clean, so the rusty bit are gone. I think the greenish color is because the iron chloride is coming out of the iron chloride. Now it's pretty clean, and we need to get rid of the unused acid. Clean through this from the container ASAP, because there's plenty of water left as a result of reaction. But don't touch this, because it's still got plenty of acid on top. Sorry, what I was trying to say is don't touch this with your bare skin, because it's going to burn the hand really badly. So I'm just trying to dry this with newspaper. And then, because you don't want to wash the treated tools with water, the best thing we could use here is WD-40. Just to give this thing a good spray with WD-40. I think it's going to repel the water residue on the two bits, and also give those things like protective coating. But be very careful, because you don't want to inhale this bloody thing or get any of this on your skin. If you want to see the consequence of getting this thing on your skin, what you can try is just pick up a snail from your garden and put in acid and see the flesh and calcium and burning it. So there we go, pretty clean. Look, so we will put it on rusty before we start treating them. And now it looks like pretty clean. Look at this one, sparkling clean. Clean as a whistle. Alright, there we go. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.